Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw files from Jira attachments safely for compliance, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the project that contains the attachments you need. Open the relevant issue where the files are attached. Scroll down to the attachments section of the issue. Identify the file you wish to withdraw. Hover over the file name to reveal the download icon. Click on the download icon to start the downloading process. Ensure you have a secure folder designated for compliance-related files on your device. Once the download is complete, open the secure folder. Verify the integrity of the downloaded file by checking its contents. If the file is sensitive, consider encrypting it for added security. Document the withdrawal by noting down the issue key and file name. Store this documentation in a secure location for future reference. After ensuring the file is safely stored, consider deleting any local copies if not needed. Review your organization's compliance policies related to file handling regularly. Stay informed about any updates in Jira that might affect file downloading procedures. Regularly discuss best practices with your team to enhance compliance efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.